Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the artist say she give you dreams to remember. Otis. I don't know if you know that song. The dreams to remember. The G said double shot, red rum, reverse. I joke this. She got the 4 G's where you go. Tell them to look bad girl at them own risk. Now viewers and subscribers, Alkaline never heed the warning. I don't know if I like the same situation. I'm here start going up on Mount Rasa and them a Isle Road. Alkaline slide into one female fan's DM, viewers and subscribers. He might try to get her number and his attempts and advances were flat out rejected. Yes, weeks away from him show. I don't know if he want a companion for forward with him. But mama said no. As Sparta, she said, Tammy Sparta even get drawn into the mix, viewers and subscribers. And we know what I say. We that say your Alkaline are dependent on the artists that we associate with the Gaza. You know what I mean? We not upon them level. We don't know you got them kind of have a arch nemesis type of thing I go on a dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. The G say even we up on the plane. We same did shake him, couldn't even move. Him look like him want to pull the window for jump out. But viewers and subscribers, mama I tell Alkaline say no. Sparta we think there. And by association you know say Gaza the thing the viewers and subscribers. Some fans of the artists I said no, this is Photoshop. But it clearly look like say you're a theme page just a forward from. You see the blue tick and everything. In my opinion, this look like a clear DM from Alkaline. I try to slide in a mama DM. I try to get the number. Attempts being rejected. However, the track drop. The teacher says stop, watch the girls like criminal. Our girl, I know your girl. Dreams to remember. All them have viewers and subscribers. Alkaline clearly caught trolling one female artist. And mama said, nah, go work. Talk to me in the comment section. As I'm say mixed reviews. Some people have said, no, this was photoshopped. However, the DM itself was sent in to a popular blog site. Yeah. And at them, I could know say this take place. At this hour really happen. Mama herself, as she sent in her DM and I said, guess who sliding on my DM recently? I tried Ray about him want number. As she put it out. If you feel like it was clearly Photoshop, talk in the comment section. Let me know why you feel that in your own personal opinion. Where you feel like say you're treating my artist. Him not gonna see a girl who him like on IG and DMR. Wanna feel like say artist and a human being too. So them and the people. Them not gonna see unless you not say because him a play for the other team. And that's why I'm not gonna see a female and that's a reason for a different, for a different blog still. But right now we are pointing out this. I will see a take place, viewers and subscribers. Some people are saying I look good as an artist. You know what I mean? But the artist rejected like that. We still remember the performance when we did on stage and there was a female dancer there and in a same song, or perform him song rather, and attempted to make her a part of the performance, to which she clearly declined. And then get upset. Push mama. I will not forget that. We will not forget that, boy. We will never forget that. And the ladies themselves look like they have not forgotten either. Some people even still say, yo, the line there from that song there. They must say, yo, such and such what I brought up. People still say, yo, that was too far. Nothing like that. That is not dancehall. I will not talk about the flow or the beat. Just the subject matter we are talking about is not dancehall. And you have people still say, yo, from them time until now, them still have a vibe, them still have to feed Alkaline music to that level. Plus, people still remember what him did say. When we say it clearly an attempt to try to duplicate Vybz Kartel success. I try for the image, the style, and then refuse to pay homage. People still say, yo, Ray. But as what me say, the DM look like, yeah, it legit. In my opinion, it look like the DM is clearly legit. Like I slide in a mama DM and it no work out for him enough. There you go. You know it go. Right now at this point in time, me that say 99.9% of dancehall music are Gaza. Yeah. At this point in time, fans listen to a multitude of music. But where it all start from? The fans of music in this decade. Even when them look for all the artists them way. You know what I mean? I put out good music right now. It is clear the evidence is there. So yo, them inspired by Vybz Kartel in one way or another. Whether by image, style of music, or just the facts that them willing to do it or them want do it. Them inspired by the teacher. Because for a long time in dancehall music, it was kind of a certain way. A certain procedure was being followed in the dancehall music. The teacher break the mold and show them say, no, there will never be another Vybz Kartel, but we can inspire other artists to take dancehall music to another level. And all artists who refuse to pay homage, I guess that is why dancehall music don't really support them as much. Because there's also a thing where people forget or neglect. You might put out good music, but also be aware of your fan base. And never alienate your fan base. You have people who feel like say, yeah, them can go overseas, go make it. And you know what I mean? Unless you do a type of world music where your fan base is definitely outside of your country of origin. If you start the music, yes, sir, and people overseas start gravitate to your music, keep in mind that the people who are listening to your music, yes, sir, I tell people overseas about your music. So if you alienate your fan base, they know what go on. Alkaline that be a bigger artist today if he just do what it was right. But them choose to go left and see him go left and no work out. Go start all MVP and see them. When not start it, go be a member and the M and the P. Cut left him. Cut left him. All because what? That's a poor management. You know what I mean? You have to have a true vision. And you have to be humble. You have to stay humble. The hype thing that now gonna really work out. You have to, you know what I mean? No, say yo, and everybody will tell you something. Have your best wishes in mind. But not everybody will tell you something for really harm your career. Some people are sure say at this point in time, you know, I bet you just do what is right. So the people can know, so use at least an individual who is willing to do what is right. Mama says she not gonna have it. As Sparta she say, and you can't get her number. Mama say you can't get her number. As Sparta she say, it not gonna work. So I don't know, you have to go find another female. But some people, as I say, still I say, no, the DM was photoshopped. Talk to me. Let me know if you feel like the DM was photoshopped, viewers and subscribers. Yes. Talk to me in the comment section. The comment section is always open. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. However, the track drop. It's hot. Not normal in a dancehall music at this point in time. The teacher have to try hard. The teacher have to try hard when it comes to music. The teacher, viewers and subscribers. It's almost like it is a instinct to the teacher. Him can hear the beat and know what kind of music to put on the beat. Some people have a wonder. And the teacher have a style like this. Him can have a song recorded all long. But because the flow is so futuristic and the cadence so unusual, if you have a unique beat, you can fit it to the cadence of the song. Because some people feel like say, yo, it definitely have to be based upon the beat. No, depending on how great or good or great the artist is, him can have a certain melody when he make the track. So if you're not hearing a beat, the song will go up on a flow. So if you are build a rhythm for that song, then now it's kind of simpler. And that's what Vybz Kartel bring to dancehall music. Very few artists bring that to the game. Very few artists' music inspire the production. Most artists are inspired by the production. Vybz Kartel is a unique artist. The mold has been broken. There'll never be another Vybz Kartel. I can tell you, can be other big, great artists, but never another Vybz Kartel. Alkaline should have heed the warning. Look bad, girl, at your own risk. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers. The dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but don't like the reason and of course don't like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. and put it on all, and this is how you will now be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is there too as well, so if you like we here, drop a like on the vlog, viewers and subscribers. In truth, make we know say you like the reasoning. The share icon is also there too as well, so you can tell a friend for tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel and check out the reasoning. The comment section is always open, as I pointed out, 24/7. It never lack yet. No matter when you see the blog, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. Our utmost settings, fam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.